My name is Will Tran, and I am a product manager at Spin.AI. In this short video, I'll first explain why browser extensions can be a hidden security risk. Then I'll provide a brief demonstration of a malicious browser extension in action from both an attacker's perspective and the victim's perspective. Now, browser extensions can be a security risk for some obvious reasons, such as they can enable phishing, key logging, and session hijacking. Now, these are the obvious reasons of how extensions can be malicious. But the more interesting things to point out are why extensions can fly under the radar for so many organizations and users. The first is broad permission access. Many extensions, especially ones designed for productivity, can read cookies, passwords, browsing history, and even live web page content. There's also the benign front. Nearly every malicious extension we've encountered actually does what it is advertised to do. It's what it does in the background that is malicious. So without the proper tools, end users can easily fall victim to these malicious extensions. And then there's the fact that legitimate extensions can become malicious overnight. We've seen popular cases where legitimate extensions with a large user base are sold to bad actors, and they essentially become weaponized overnight, all without the end user knowing, all without the end user taking any action. The list goes on, but to demonstrate how sneaky these extensions can be, I'll provide a demo. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Okay, now on my screen, I have two virtual machines running. The screen on the left represents the attacker screen. The screen on the right represents the victim screen. Now, in this scenario, the victim has an extension installed that acts as a web page summarizer. So now it could be an article, a document, or in this case, an email. Now, the typical employee greatly benefits from this extension because they can save time by cutting through a lot of reading into basically a paragraph's worth of summarized notes. Now, when the victim uses this extension and summarizes the email, they'll see a summary of their email as expected. But what's really happening behind the scenes is the data is also being sent to the attacker server. Not only is the original data and the summary being sent, it is also using AI to parse through the email and identity of really any personal identifiable information in the email. So this allows the attacker to not only extract sensitive and private information from the victim, but it also ironically streamlines the attacker's workflow by leveraging AI to locate the sensitive data very quickly. So the takeaway here is extensions, they may seem benign and safe to use, but they can really be exfiltrating data all without the user knowing. This example is one of many reasons why at Spin.AI we've created a solution to address this issue.